Again, I will not edit my video and I will simply just show you some slides. If you have a low attention span, just go click on some dopamine filled flashy guide, which probably just tells you what you want to hear. But I'm gonna begin by telling my story. So basically, my sleep was very bad. I didn't know why my sleep was bad, but now that I look at it, I literally just went ahead and played with my phone if I couldn't fall asleep. I watched anime if I couldn't fall asleep, and yeah, that obviously messes up my sleep. I did bad habits, I was barely active. But yeah, in this video, I will tell you how to fix your sleep. But what you should do is just note everything down and fucking take action. If you don't do any of these tips, this video is fucking worthless. So yeah, let's begin. So the most simple thing here, it's a consistent sleep schedule. Just find a fucking time and you can go to sleep. For example, I go to sleep at 9 p.m. and I wake up at 6, and you think I get 9 hours of sleep. No, I don't. I only get 7, because basically the thing that people don't understand is it takes time to fucking fall asleep. Just you won't fall asleep in like 5 minutes. Maybe if you're very tired or something, yes, you can fall asleep in like 5 minutes. But for most people with good sleep efficiency, and if you don't have fucked up life or something like that, then you will fall asleep in like an hour or two. So just spend at least 9 hours in bed, because bedtime, the time in bed, and sleep time are two different things. Humans wake up during night too, which also interrupts our sleep. So yeah, that's for this one. Now moving on, devices, blue light, TV, mobile phones, shit like that just fucking kills our sleep. An hour before bed, do not use that shit. Maybe it's very important, go ahead, call someone, note something, but usually most of the times it just fucking kills your sleep. And the thing is, I used to play video games right before sleep and then went to sleep, and then I wonder, why can't I fucking fall asleep? Well, no shit, I cannot fall asleep. My brain is literally like engaged in the video game, and it's working. I'm not. You think you're relaxing, you're not. Your brain is working when you play the video game a lot, and blue light overall just kills sleep. So just do something relaxing. Go for a walk, read a book. Also, there's a thing called circadian rhythm, I think. Basically, when you wake up, go outside, look at a fucking. Don't stare directly at the sun. Just look at the sky. That way, your brain knows when you wake up. Then, when you go to sleep, guess what you should do? Just go for a walk or something. Just look outside. It's getting dark. Alright, your brain will know you need to go to sleep. Yeah, it's as simple as that. So the next one is no caffeine and no food. Yeah, it took me a while to pronounce the caffeine. So the thing is, caffeine takes a very long time of 10 hours to fully digest most of the times. I'm not saying it's the exact time, but it's something like that. It could digest in like 6, who knows. But just overall, I do not drink caffeine 10 hours before bedtime, because it really messes up my sleep. And this is a thing I personally struggle with, not eating anything like 2 hours before bedtime, because I'm currently on a bulk and I just need to eat a lot. So I usually mess up my sleep with that, but it's getting better and I am fixing it. And yeah, just try not to just eat a filling meal like 3 hours before bed, and then you're set. It will digest when you go to sleep. When you are going to sleep, it will be digested. That way, you can have good sleep, and you can have like a light snack like peanuts or something. Just don't eat too much. Now this is a very important one. It's mental health, and basically it's one of the most important things in your life, because it determines your actions, what you do. And you should definitely have good mental health if you want to be successful, have good sleep and stuff like that. So if your mental health is bad, you'll be probably like, you'll spend like probably 3 hours in bed just thinking can't fall asleep, pick up your phone, go fucking play some video games. Why not, bro? Just ruin your sleep even more. But yeah, you definitely shouldn't. You definitely should fix your mental health as soon as possible. If you think there's something wrong in your life, go fix that. Because mental health plays a big role in everything, and it's very important, especially for men. Not trying to be sexist, but lots of men have fucked up mental health. The way they think and shit like that. Just fix it, bro. Now, another step is to just tire yourself out. Just throughout the day, do not laze around, play video games. Just fucking at least go for a run. That's the least you could do. Because when you wake up, you have all this energy, just all this energy, right? But if you do not spend it throughout the day, guess what? You're going to sleep, you still have lots of fucking energy. And why is that? You sat your ass on the couch just watching Netflix. Like, at least play 6,000 steps a day or something like that. Try to work, use up your energy throughout the day, and overall be more productive. It will help with your sleep because you'll be tired and you'll just want to recharge. But do not wear yourself out because that can happen and it will make things only worse. And that's it for this video, I guess. I really have nothing more to say. That's it. Thank you guys for watching.